Hello everyone. You are on the Software Developer blog channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Today we have a very interesting video on the topic of comparing two very popular programming languages, JavaScript and Python. We will look at the trends in these programming languages, their ease of learning for beginners, the ability to quickly find work in these languages, their versatility, and much more. Python and JavaScript have made a huge contribution to programming, in particular to web development. These two languages are supported by various trending web frameworks and libraries that are truly changing web development. Python, Django, Angular, JS, React.js, the introduction of these frameworks and libraries into the web ecosystem has brought new paradigms and standards for software development. JavaScript has been the most commonly used programming language for quite some time now and is currently one of the most widely used programming languages. However, Python is now facing very stiff competition. The popularity of Python has been steadily growing, and it is now the fastest growing programming language. Python is a universal modern high-level programming language, the advantages of which include high performance of software solutions and structured, well-read code. The syntax of Python is as lightweight as possible, which allows you to learn it in a relatively short time. Python is used for web development, ERP system development, AI development, machine learning, data analysis, and more. JavaScript, in turn, is an object-oriented programming language that helps create dynamic web applications. It also supports various programming paradigms such as functional, object-oriented, and imperative programming. One of the unique advantages of JavaScript is its ubiquity. This language can be found literally everywhere. It is supported on all operating systems, in all kinds of browsers and on computers as well as mobile devices. And now let's talk about ease of learning for beginners. Indeed, the fundamental point when choosing a programming language for a beginner is the ease and simplicity of learning it. Especially if you haven't dealt with programming at all. Python was really designed for beginners. It is designed in such a way that it can be quickly learned and assimilated. So, if the operation is for speed and ease, then Python shows better results than JavaScript. If you are a beginner with no basic knowledge of programming, then it is really better to learn Python first. If we talk about the universality of JavaScript and Python, then both languages have good opportunities and in terms of practicality, they go equally. But there are separate areas. For example, JavaScript will be more promising in the development of mobile applications, since Python is mainly a back-end language. But if you consider that artificial intelligence and learning machines will be in trend in the future, then JavaScript is not so good. This is a fairly new area for him, and he has a long way to go to master it. Python, in turn, has already earned itself a reputation as one of the most preferred languages for data statistics and artificial intelligence algorithms, as well as machine learning. Now, the most important thing is the ability to quickly find a job for a beginner. This is a very difficult point of our comparison, and for both JavaScript and Python, there are a huge number of vacancies for junior developers, which are really very difficult for a beginner to get a job. There are also many internship programs in large companies for Python, and also for JS. I recommend starting your career with internships because it is there that you will be able to gain the necessary experience to work as a programmer and write quality code. But personally, in my subjective opinion, I will give JavaScript the advantage at this point. Yes, Python is really easy to get started. You can learn all the basic concepts of programming in over 3 months, but it's really harder for you to find a job on it. It is a fact. In general, knowledge of any of these languages will bring good income and promote career growth, so it makes sense to choose based on your aspirations. When it comes to performance, it's better to compare JS and Python in the back-end for objectivity. It's undeniable here that JS will be clearly faster. Such high performance allows JS to be a suitable solution for building real-time applications. In general, the choice of a programming language is a personal matter for everyone. You shouldn't learn JS if you don't like it at the very beginning. Don't learn Python if you see a job opening that pays $300 more, and it doesn't work for you either. Personally, I'm liking Python's growth trend right now, given how easy it is to learn and the interest I have in learning about AI and machine learning. Like this video, write your comments, see you soon.